acknowledge the presence of our TESDA representative, Mr. Albert Vargas. You don't have to worry about their presence, and they are just to oversee background assessment. They will not assess you. Before you proceed, may I inform you to be where we are recorded to monitor the CCTV and in the TESDA Camarines Sur and the TESDA Regional Office. So I am here to consent to the image means like agree the record by the CCTV and also your forms application and self-assessment and guide. So this form that we need to ready under the process. I will check your attendance and I hold your name and please come forward and present your admission slip with your together with your valid ID and your please sign and attendance sheet. There can you see it? Administering assessment. So the assessment process is collecting evidence and the competency has been achieved. So achieved, I will collecting evidence through demonstrating of skills. So the qualification of Unicare and C2 is competency to assess. The three units of competency is assess is first is perform the manicure and pedicure. So and second perform enhanced spa. And third is perform foot spa. So the task of perform are is cleaning and cutting the nails. So the nail is 20 minutes and the hand massage is 15 minutes and plus is the massage and the foot massage is 15 minutes. Assessment procedure will be so the manicure and pedicure is observed through demonstration and oral questionnaire. Needs to consider during assessment. We also have things need to be considered. If you are any religious practices being observed by your religion, like Muslims, so that you will excuse during religious time. If you need to pray specific time, for those candidates who needs to take their medication within a duration of assessment, just inform me and I will allow you to take medication. Especially those who has specifically difficulty for health issue like hypertension or diabetes. If you have difficulty understanding the given instruction, please don't hesitate here. Call my attention because I'm more willing to explain and translate it for you. If you have concern, please raise your hand and I will answer to help you. And once the assessment is started, refrain and asking a question because it's no longer allowed. So do not cell phone during start of assessment. The rights and appeal system. If you have question clarification concerning the assessment result, you have the right to appeal. You can just submit your appeal your test to provincial office or accredited center where the assessor are accredited. Insurance and ability of NC and COC. If you achieve a competent result in your assessment and choose a certificate, national certificate will be sent your provided email address within 1 day after the assessment. For your proper base NC instruction, the NC COC is issued by provincial office where the assessment is took place upon presentation of cards has a validity period of 5 years. If you claim your NC COC 3 working days, bring the following card. Second is bring the following a picture, passport size, white background with color and name tag. So Reassessment procedure. A candidate for full qualification assessed by not yet competent may apply for assessment. Reassessment shall only focus on the specific area not satisfactorily achieved. However, the candidate paid the full assessment fee promulgated by the TESDA board.